Hi, this is a quick demo about how to book hotels in our new platform, Content Service for Lodging. We can use comments to book a hotel, right? If you have questions about how comments are supported, you can use this entry, hot help, and you're gonna get a list of comments that are currently supported, and you can also use hot help to get more comments. Okay, I will focus on the graphical workflow because this is where you're gonna find more advanced qualifiers. So let me move to command helper, then I can click on hotel, and then I can type a city I want to book a hotel. So I will look for a hotel in Rio de Janeiro. Okay, so as you can see here, we can see the airport code, right? But we can also book hotels by using a city name. So it's easier now to book hotels in cities that you don't know exactly where is the airport, the closest airport that you have available. So let's book here, Rio de Janeiro. And then let me change the dates because it's a holiday here and I'm in a real environment. So let's look for the check-in and check-out dates, one guest. If I had a specific negotiated rate, I could include the three-letter code here, the client ID, and then I could also ask Sabre to return to display properties that only have negotiated rates available. If I keep the standard, it means include. Sabre will display rates with negotiated rates, but Sabre will also bring properties that do not have negotiated rates available. Okay. So here you have the option to inform the chain code. You don't need to know any code anymore. You can just type the hotel chain name and Sabre will help you with that. You can also inform the proper name. Here you have additional qualifiers. So distance is very useful every time that you select a specific address. So let's say I'm looking for properties in the downtown. So I want properties until, 10 kilometers. And then I can also select some other qualifiers here like currency and proper types and room category and things like that. So let me book. Não acredito. Modify search. Oh yeah, it's because we have a chain code that doesn't exist in Rio de Janeiro, right? So let's now book. And here it is. It's coming because now Sabre has access not only to the GDS content, but I can activate Booking.com and several other aggregators. So it's easier for me to get access to more content and also to compare pricing. So here we have the information. So we have Sheraton, we have Novotel. Here we have the distance that we select. I can apply some filters here like distance. So for example, I can move for more closer properties. I can also play with the rate, right? I can use a minutes to filter data, right? So in this case, for example, the system has filtered some properties. I can look for more properties here. So Sabre will ask for a new availability behind. I can also sort here by using the distance, for example, and I can add a new qualifier as well. Then I will have this information here. I can also look for properties in the map. So just in case my traveler has shared some specific information, I can look at this information in the map, or I could also, when I was searching, I could select this option here to look for more specific properties, right? Let me close the map here. So as you can see here, for example, there is a blue icon. If you look, it's the stay safe indicator. It means that this property has some specific protocols for biosecurity, and you can also use this qualifier to find a property. So let's select this property. This is a Novotel in Rio de Janeiro. As you can see here, some properties, we have some design here that allow us to compare rates. In this example, Booking.com rates and Sabre rates are the same. So it's really easy to compare. In this case, in this example, see that Booking.com offers a lower price, right? But let's select this property here. So you can also get more information about the property by clicking here. So you have check-in and check-out information, services offer, and everything that the property has made available in Sabre. You also have some pictures just in case you want to know more this property. And here is a summary of amenities that is available. Let me click on here to see all rates available for this property. And Sabre will display not only GDS rates, but Booking.com rates, because this is the aggregator that I have active in my PCC. If I'm not interested, for example, in offering booking rates for this specific customer, I could just unselect, right? And I will have just Sabre rates available. Okay, the idea here is to make it easier for you to compare rates and to offer some options to your customers. So you could also unselect non-refundable rates just in case you don't want to offer any rate that your guests cannot cancel in the future. So here we have the more information about the room, and we have some other information here that makes our process easier to understand what is offered by this room type. Here we have a qualifier to let us know that this is a commissionable rate. So if you click here, you're gonna get this information, right? Let me select Sabre rates only, and I will also select Queen Bed only, okay? So here are the rates that we have available. I will then click on here and rate details. This way I can see all information. So rates per date, taxes that are already included in the final price. And then we have the room description as well, the cancellation policy. So all information that you need, it's available here in rate details. I could book by using commands if I prefer. I would have just to come here, go back to the manual command, and I use the traditional command that you already know. But we are gonna use the graphical workflow for this specific case. So I could include some optional information here. We have the guarantee information available. We use a credit card, American Express. So here is the credit card number. Okay, let's name which is a mandatory data. Additional remarks if I want. Then I click on book. So as soon as I click on book, Sabre will create a reservation in the hotel system, and I will be able to see the confirmation number in a few seconds. Here it is. So I cannot forget to close, to sign and close. So I could do it by using the graphical workflow, but there are a few steps that I prefer using commands. So here we have, this is my Accor reservation, the same way that we knew, right? And the same would work for Booking.com or any other aggregator that you have available in your PCC. Thank you.